Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Do you all know that Valentine is about to come? And मुझे भी DIY वीडियो शेयर करे हुए आपके साथ कुछ अराउंड 1 मंथ अप्रॉक्स हो चुका होगा. दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ फैमिली इश्यूज़ एंड DIY वीडियोस शेयर करने में, उसको एडिटिंग में, फिल्मिंग में, सामान लाने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, इट इज़ सो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. इवन मुझे खुद का टाइम निकालना ही बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. माई स्टडीज़, माई डेली रूटीन, माई ट्यूशन्स एंड ऑल, एंड देन शूटिंग द DIY इज़ जस्ट टू टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. बट नाउ फॉर यू ऑल गाइज, मैं कुछ लेकर आई हूँ DIY कस्टमाइज्ड गिफ्ट आइडियाज़ फॉर वैलेंटाइन. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So for the first DIY, you will need a plain printed paper. You can go with any color. Randomly I've chosen this color. Now follow the steps and stick the sides. Now you can give as many gifts you can. I'm going with this chocolate. I got it from a nearby shop and it's for ₹5 per piece. Now stick the sides again and place some cuttings. You can even go with messages, but I like to keep simple as it is. And the way it's turned out is really awesome, perfect for gifts on any occasion. So for the next DIY, you will need an envelope. You guys can be creative and make it yourself. Even I have made myself. Now put any gifts, a letter. Now put it inside. I always end up my card using a ribbon, but this time I'm not going with a ribbon. I'm going up with the plain threads. These are known as cotton threads. It is available for ₹10 to ₹20 per meter, and this is a skinish type color. Now follow the steps and wrap the card. Now make a knot at back side. Mainly envelopes and cards have a wax sealing. Don't worry if you don't have wax. We always have some broken crayons, so use that. I'm gonna use a red one. Now bring your candle and lighten up. Now use any extra spoon you have and use that spoon only for craft all time. Now it just takes your 1 or 2 minutes. Even I have done this within seconds, so it is very easy. Now blow your candle and bring this to it. Put it this and put a seal on it. I have forgotten that my sealer has a blue mark on it and it goes with that. Although it is looking stunning good, but yeah. End up with a bow and it's done. A gorgeous card is ready. So this is the very simplest gift I have to show you all. You just need is a decorative box. You can be creative and decorate it by yourself. Even आप किसी और से भी इसे डेकोरेट करा सकते हैं. Then open it and insert some kite papers. So kite papers ₹3 पर big sheet मिलते हैं. I got it white color का. मुझे red नहीं मिला. So I'm going with this white paper. So kite paper को अंदर अच्छे से fold करके उसको थोड़ा messy सा look देके then press it in it gently. Now you can go with any gift. I have this candle. तो इसका प्रोसेस मैं आपको इस वीडियो के बाद पोस्ट कर दूंगी. यू कैन मेक इट बाय योरसेल्फ. नाउ पुट इट इनसाइड एंड कवर द काइट पेपर ओवर इट. Cover the lid and it's done. The very simple and the easiest gift you can gift on Valentine. You can pause this video and take a screenshot and save it the process of this how to make that candle. So for this last DIY you will need any picture of yours and your life partner. Then take a mix and match color similar to the photo. Now first I will trace the photo and on the sheet of paper I mark the area of the frame. Now simply follow the steps what I am doing here. I am placing 2 cuts from the corner. You have to do this with all the 4 corners. Now paste the picture on the desired area. Now with the help of pencil or any gold thing, you have to roll the paper to the picture. Like what I am doing here, just follow the steps. Do this with all the sides. Now accordingly, take one and paste it using white glue. And it's done. A very simple and beautiful DIY frame for your loved one. That's it for this video guys. Hope you have enjoyed. And yeah, one thing that I have to share with you all is to make this DIY customized Valentine's Day gift with your so much effort, because this is everything to the person you are meeting. So yeah, that's it for today. Meet you in the next video. जब तक के लिए bye bye. Take care. क्या मौसम है यार, just awesome. Can't believe. Look at the sky. What are the clouds? Away, so cute. और इसलिए मैंने छत पे आके आज वीडियो शूट किया. आई एम जस्ट टोटली लव विद द स्काई एंड द मौसम. बस जब धूप निकल जाती है ना तब थोड़ा मूड ख़राब हो जाता है. बाय द वे, बाय बाय. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.